letter which we gave was only to felicitate, to give it fast. Even at night, you give this letter so that our stock reaches. Deputy collectors to give the pass, travelling pass, or to bring the stock to go.
हे इश्यू कोण करता सर इतल्या ह्या वेळार नो नाव नॉट अबाउट टॉकिंग
The issue has been made by Aam Aadmi Party leader, my dear friend Elvis Gomes. I feel that Elvis Gomes is a nice person, and Elvis Gomes should concentrate on reaching out to the people at this time of distress, like how Arvind Kejriwal is doing in Delhi. See, in the name of Arvind Kejriwal, you cannot ask for vote. People of Goa require help from administration. We have to help. As a Minister for Science and Technology, in my own capacity, I have given the letter to the suppliers and told them to go to the Deputy Collector's office, show this letter, and they will give you the pass. So my letter for them is valid, and Deputy Collector will issue them the required passes. Right now there are no passes required because Ministry of Home Delhi, Ministry of Home Affairs has given clear notification, and Honorable Prime Minister also has said that all vehicles carrying essential should not be checked or even stopped. So all essentials can come into Goa or any state, and all grocery shops, all supermarkets have to be kept open, but social distancing have to be maintained of nearly 2 meters. A thing that to the collector, that nobody will bring this stock and keep it in somebody's godown and increase the price. This letter was given so that this stock reaches some distributor in supermarket in Kalangut or in Mapsa or in anywhere in Bardez, and they would sell it. We have already sold so many vegetables also to Mapsa at a very, very reasonable price. So same letter was used to bring the vegetables over here. In Delhi is very good. That is why they have won. ते जिंकल्या कित्याक तेणी डिलिव्हरी दिल्या म्हणून लोक तेंच्या वांगडा रावला. हिंगा एल्विस गोम्स कॅनॉट से आय एम अरविंद केजरीवाल. त्याच्या नावान मत मागिनाका तूं लोकां कडेन वच, लोकांक पाव, लोकांक तुजें काम दाखय की आपूण अरविंद केजरीवाल नंबर 2 म्हणून इन गोवा, आनी तुका लोक मत मागतलो. तूं म्हणूंक शकना अरविंद केजरीवालान बरें काम केलां म्हणून तुमी म्हाका मत घाला, अशें जावंकूच शकना. आनी आमचो गोंयकार खूब हुशार लोक. तूं पॉलिटिसायज करिनाका हो इश्यू, हें म्हाजें तेका मागणें. म्हाजो फ्रेंड तो, डोंट पॉलिटिसायज दीस इश्यू. टुडे things are better. Last 8 days things were not good. At that particular time we had to help the people of Bardez. So in my capacity, whatever letters I could issue Deputy Collector to give passes to bring stocks to Goa may have helped a lot of people.
Chief Minister has issued certain orders or
See,
certain
Chief Minister
guidelines.
Said, Chief Minister has said that these letters can be issued for travelling pass for vehicles by collector. So collector and itli dav podleli ahli. Collector could not give priority whom he will give. There was no staff over there at that particular time. People were scared, even including the staff was scared to go and work. So many calls I got, sir, please cancel my order. I am working for collectorate. Can you cancel my order? I said, this is emergency, you have to work. So how many people would be given? So when we gave some letters to collector immediately issued passes. Deputy Collector's office immediately issued passes. So it's a good letter. It is given in good faith.
Do you think this is a political stunt by the BJP-led government? Groceries items are found with all the MLAs, all the ministers and their political workers, but it is not found in the market. Why is it?
Grocery items, whoever MLA has bought is bought from the local market only, from the wholesaler, but he has not bought in such big stocks that it will not be made available. Why there is a shortage of groceries is because it is not coming from Belgaum, it is not coming from Kolhapur, it is not coming from Hubli, it is not coming from Maharashtra, districts of Maharashtra. They have to come in. So for them to come in, there has to be clearance from their collectors, from their SPs and the border check post of Goa. So now, with the latest directions, with the latest circulars and orders from the central government and also from the orders from the state government, all borders are open for all essential goods.